Hello guys, it's Cole Winholtz here. Cole Winholtz Outdoors. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, it's Cole. Just trying to do a little YouTube video for you guys. I know I haven't posted for, I think about a week or so. Last time you guys saw me, I was out at my buddy's ranch. By the way, if you guys ever want to go on a good hunting trip, contact Ryan at Dodge City Exotic Hunting. If you guys need any more information, let me know. I can send you the details and the facts. He also has some very good fishing. Very good. But what I'm doing a video for you guys today, and that is what's in my tackle box. Alright. Okay. So, here is what's in my tackle box. Sorry guys, I'm recording on my phone. It won't let me switch over, so just bear with me. I'm working on getting like a GoPro camera. But first of all, here's my tackle bag. It's just kind of like a Field & Stream Pro Series just camo bag. I had it for my when shit hits the fan bag, but I got a different one for that, which I'll be showing you guys more and more and more and more. So this one is my soft plastic bag, or bait, a lot of them. Here's a lot what I have. Couple nice worms. It's pretty nice. These are my favorite. The blue. These are blue. You can use them as Texas rig, or you can put them on the back of a blue chatterbait or white chatterbait even. So another little trailer. And you cannot have fishing stuff without lizards. Let me tell you a story about lizards. These lizards are very good for bed fishing. And so like if you're trying to catch a fish on a bed or you see them, fish do not like creatures on their beds. That's for sure. Oh, here's another one. It's a spinner bait I got from Mystery Tackle Box. I would recommend them. You get cool lures. No, I'm not sponsored by them. I'm just throwing that out there. I used one of my little swim baits as a trailer on here. I think it looks pretty good. Haven't caught a fish on it yet though. Oh, I'll show you one that I did. I caught my biggest fish. He was 6.5 pound bass on this thing. I don't know exactly. It's like a little trailer thing, but I just put like a little jig head on it, just like this, and just was kind of flicking it across the thing. Oh man, I was slaying them. Slaying them. And I also have it in blue. Alright, let me show you what else I got. Like I said guys, sorry it's poor quality. When I get my GoPro, it'll be better. And then maybe I can be able to also put out more videos. I appreciate you guys that are subscribed to my channel. Like I said, hopefully more. I don't plan on, I want one day to be a professional YouTuber, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. You know, I just like doing this stuff. None of my stuff's edited like everybody else's is. Mine's whatever you get, you see. I know a lot of people are like, why? It's so unprofessional. Well, just to let you guys know something, I'm not the greatest at computers, which is fine. I can figure out how to edit. I've done it before on my buddy's channel. He's done it. He quit YouTube, but me, I'm just like, you know what? I want to give these guys something different that a lot of people don't do. Okay, back. Oh, here's what I was showing you. Here's that chatterbait with that jig trip with that little trailer on it. This is a mystery tackle box exclusive chatterbait, by the way. But here's some more. This is a mystery tackle box bait. It's like kind of like a whopper plopper. It has two little spinners on it. It's pretty nice. Some jigs. The Bagleys. Pretty nice, isn't it? Not for sure this bait, but I got it at, I think I got this one at Academy Sports. A couple jerk baits, flicker shads. Oh, I want to show you guys this one. Yeah, I don't got enough room, so I just kind of put them in there. You guys will never believe this. I caught a really big fish on this little thing. On this lipless crank. Walmart. In the dollar bin. You know, there's people say, oh, Walmart lures can't catch crap. I have. Another thing I want a GoPro, so then when I can take you on my fishing trips. That would be fun. So then I can show you how these baits work. Here's my other soft plastics. I'll show you what I use, and maybe you guys can buy it. I don't know if you guys have ever heard the bait called Havoc, or the bait company, I guess it's called Havoc. They sell this craw looking creature bait thing. And I use either 1 ounce to 2 ounce hook, and just a little slide on weight. You can put whatever size you want. But I'm going to show you this bait. I've caught a lot of fish on it. I would recommend it. It's blue, and it catches fish. I got different colors too. I got like a like a green pumpkin. Dang, the sliding in here kind of sucks. I got it's green. This is really good bait. This color is really good for the summertime. When that water is getting all clear. Here's a purple and green. This I use a lot. Little Senko. I have this color, and this is the color I always catch fish on. Green pumpkin. This next one's a mystery tackle box bait. The jig head's not. Little underspin. That. I've had a couple bites on that. You guys are going to laugh at how little this bait is. But I've put a jig head on it. It's like a little salamander looking top of it. You guys see that tail? It's pretty nice. Got me a fluke. They don't sell these anymore hardly at Walmart. And then I got a green. But here's the overall picture of the box. So yeah. I fish for mainly bass, but I also catch catfish, crappie. Hell, I even catch bluegill. Those are always fun for me too. Alright, this one should be my mixture. I should have some frogs, some crankbaits, which I do. I'll show you my frogs real quick. Here's one of them I use a lot. It's green. Works pretty good. I have a smaller green one. Here's my blue sproul frog. Here's the size hook I use. Okay, and I have like a black and red little frog. I've never used this one, but these were, I get them cheap. Okay, I was going to show you this lure. This one I got, my dad's friend used to work for the tobacco company Redman. No, I am not a supporter, so, and I do not get paid by them to support them because I don't smoke, never have. This is kind of cool. The Redman limited edition lure. Never used it. I kind of keep it in its own like little, made by Rapala, but I kind of keep it in here. Oh. It kind of just sits in my tackle box and never gets used. I mean, I could use it, but I don't want to get it snagged. I like it. Oh, here's another one I use. This one, this little swim bait. I catch a lot of fish. A lot of them on that. I got like a bumblebee topwater. Here, you guys will like this one. Here's a football head jig. There's a little crawl trailer. Right now, too, there's a lot of baits that are like this color. Yes, there's one on here too. I have some jerk baits. I just kind of all put them together, guys. I mean, you can do whatever. Hold on a second. Like I said, you guys can do whatever you want. And I just try to keep all like my jerk baits somewhat close together and stuff, but it's really up to you. I don't want to carry out 2 or 3 tackle bags out to where I go fishing. Okay, finally got it. Never used this lure. I'm very tempted. They're cool looking. That's one of I've caught a lot of fish on this lipless. It's color. No water. Oh. Slaunch. No, I did not copy that from Milliken Fishing. I like Milliken though. He's a good guy. Oh, here's a cool one. I don't know if you guys seen this. It's made by Cream Baits. Cream. It's a little crappie bait. I think that's cool. Yellow with orange. I better put my frogs back in here. I plan on turning one box into a frog box, one box into all my crankbaits. I mean, I kind of have it situated like that, but I've been fishing my whole life, and I just used to carry around those little lunch box looking tackle boxes, and just kind of put them all in a bag now. I'll show you guys my scale, and I'll show you guys a cool thing that I did. Okay, so I have an Ozark Trail scale. I'm trying to get this. Okay. So see, a little weigher. Ozark Trail. I mean, it's cheap, yes, but also it comes with a tape measure built in. Back here, see like this little button. You push it, closes it. So what I made out of 550 paracord is this it looks like a stringer with 550 paracord. It has this. Anyways, so you guys can kind of so you can kind of see me. Okay, so you put this through here, through the fish's mouth. Once it sits here, you can take this and weigh the fish. Or you can be fancy and have your own way of doing it. That's just my way of doing it. I mean, when you don't have a big old budget, you got some extra 550 paracord, might as well use it, right? So yeah. Let's see. What else I got here? I got some, mainly in this little box, as you guys can see, just little jig heads and crappie stuff. Let's see what else I got. Took one in there. Oh, I got some baits in here, I think. Ear things, because I was on a airboat not too long ago. Got some bobbers. When you have nephews like me, you gotta always have a stock of bobbers. And hell, sometimes I'll even bobber fish, mainly a bass fish, but can't have too much. Okay, this stuff, catfish, still bait. It works pretty good. Strawberry. I've caught a lot of these babies right here. A lot of these catfish. I've never caught a carp on it. The biggest carp I ever caught, though, I think he was 26 pounds. Okay, I will say something about this line. I'm not sponsored by it, but I've used it on all my bait casters, which next time I'll show you. I got a Abu Garcia Black Max. I got a Mike Iaconelli. It was a spinning rod, but I put a bait caster on it. I'm not a big fan of the spinning rods, bait caster, and I like to use those Zepcos. I mean, Zepco 202s, 404s. laugh at me all you want, but that's what I use for like big fish fishing. But this stuff is 10-pound Omniflex. It's mono. Stuff is good. I've caught big old fish on it. And it's cheap. I think I only paid like maybe $3 for that. 700 yards full line. It's on all my reels. It's got some little hooks right here. You never know, like I said, when you're with your nephews and stuff and they need a hook. Okay. Good. Got some little crappie niblets. They're green. Haven't had very much luck on those this year. Another bobber. I'll show you guys this. You know that blue crawfish I was showing you, that soft plastic? I use this on it. You can. I've caught it without it. Made by Yum. It's pretty good. Shoots out a red. Be careful when you guys use it. Shoot away from you, because it comes out pretty quick. Those earplugs in here. I forgot I had a couple things in here. Alright. Some salmon eggs for trout. Don't really have trout around here. I'll show you those in a minute. Well, this was a Dibbles Digest for Mystery Tackle Box. I kind of threw it in here just to, if you were bored, just kind of look through it. It's all crunkled up now. Big old stringer. Okay, now I'll show you the juice. Here's some, I think these are made by Cream too. They're just little minnows, looking minnow things. I catch a lot of small bass, a lot of crappie on these. I'll take it out and show you. How I would rig it is just put like a little jig head on it. Maybe the jig hook coming out the back. That's how I'd do it. Well, let me close that. There we go. I'm not taking these out because they smell, but they're called the Reckon Craw. Okay, it says on the package, it says it's for punching, jig trailer, or shaky head. These work pretty good. I'll take these out. These are made by Yum. It was on that one. It's just another one. Like I said, use it as like a trailer. You put a little shaky head weight on it. So yeah. Ooh, those have a smell to it too. And I put my nose up to it and smelled it. Duh. Duck hole. I'm not supposed to do that. Like I said, guys, I know I'm not a pro YouTuber, which is fine. I just kind of just do it just for fun, you know. I don't plan on getting paid from them, you know. Probably won't get a whole bunch of subscribers, which is, it's whatever, you know. I'm not going to be mad about it. If I get a lot, it'd be awesome. Yeah, it'd be nice to be a pro YouTuber. You get paid for it. I'm not saying it doesn't. Anybody that says, "Oh, I'm not in it to get paid," they're lying. But you know, it's just one of those things where if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. I'm not trying to discourage you guys, but a lot of times it's hard to be a pro at anything. And you know, I mean, I know you gotta start somewhere. And this is my start. So, yeah. I hope you guys like these videos. Not only do I fish, I like to go hunting. I hunt everything: ducks, geese, pheasant, deer, quail, you name it, I hunt. My buddy's ranch has exotic animals. He has rams, he has elk, he has fallow deer, he has oryx bulls. Like I said, check it out. Dodge City Exotic Hunting. My buddy's name is Ryan Engelking. Check him out. If that's something you want to do. Also, oh, the camera fell. Also, he offers very good fishing trips. And he knows his stuff. Very smart, very intelligent guy. And guaranteed you will have fun. And you guys will get to see me, because I'm out there all the time. And I know there's a lot of people ask if I'm in the military. No, I'm not. I just have a tattoo that says "Support the Troops" on it. And then I have a cross tattoo. Always wanted to be in the military. But when you play football and you've had 3 knee surgeries and stuff like that, yeah, not so much. There we go. This bag barely fits all those things in there. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to my channel. If you don't like it, I understand. I'm not going to be mad at you. You know, just starting out, and appreciate it. Thanks. Later.